The 2019 Infiniti QX50 is great looking from about each point, relatively lovely from within, where it is important most. Infiniti's most recent planned bearing meets up in the 2019 QX50. The extravagance hybrid SUV brandishes similar components from different vehicles. In the lineup, twofold curved grille, emotional back rooftop column crimp, and swelling hood, however in more classy ways. We like the outside, yet we like within additional. We arrive at a 8 out of 10. The Lodge is loaded with tasteful contacts that are in Infiniti's wheelhouse. The durable bundle looks better with more cash tossed at it. Characteristic cowhide and precious stone stitching looks the high-class part, while open pore wood and accessible blue softened cowhide main events include an attractive lick of style. The double-screen infotainment framework might be inconsistent with the exquisite approach, and a few trims of the QX50 are led around dark plastic by the apparatus selector. Those are little bandy. Observers will get a decent perspective of Infiniti's most recent outline dialect, especially in advance. The etched nosy is punctuated by a forceful hood, and the enormous grille dons a similarly huge extravagance identification in advance. From the back three-quarter seat, the light plunges and ducks around the entryways, separating the substantial swaths of sheet metal required to cover a hybrid these days. We begin with within, as generally proprietors. The QX50 embraces a rich style, heading for Infiniti, confirmed by its sewed dash and agreeable seats. The uplifting news improves in top trims with jewel-sewed characteristic cowhide and calfskin embeds, albeit each form is gently calm. Outside, the QX50 takes components from other Infiniti vehicles, significantly wrinkled rooftop column, open grille, and etched hood, and envelops them by a famous hybrid shape. Buyers will see its fuel proficiency without realizing what influences the motor to work, and that is okay. Our score of 7.2 general mirrors our reverence of the new motor, and the auto folded over it, and that is before well-being considers along with our condition.